Hey, this is Bear Grizzly Art, and we're just doing another video about farm animals. Let's hop right to it. This one's called, Which Animal Am I? I'm a wolf. Ooh, I'm a kitty cat. Oh, it keeps going. A goat? I'll take a goat. I'll take a goat. Oh, and it adds some prettiness to my face. Just add these up. If you're just a cat lover and you freaking love cats with like a burning passion, just pick this animal and just go crazy with cats. Little eyes. Let's go on to the next one, which is it's a goat getting pretty horny up here. I'm a bad goat. Rocking this beard that I can't touch. You ever seen a goat eat? They can eat anything. That's what goats can do. Let's go on to the next one. Chicken. It's a chicken on the head. Can I zoom in? What is this chicken doing? Chicken on the head. That doesn't really seem like an insult or a compliment, but chicken head, it can come off as a little edgy. Alright, let's go to the next one. Oh! Moo! I want to jump over the moon. I can't. Alright. Buddy shot. That's right. I'm a cow that would jump over a moon. Eat more chicken. Which one is it? Popeyes or Chick-fil-A? Doesn't matter who, but I love you. Eat more chicken. What's next one? BoJack Horseman. Can I get a little hey? I really want to do a music video. It's hard to keep it like this one. Yeah. On to the next one. Oh, it's kind of an insult, just saying like, you look like a pig. But this kind of filter kind of looks pretty cute. $50 shot. Ooh, I love me some bacon. No pigs were harmed in the making of this. On to the next one. I'm a chick.
I'm like the big brother. And that little egg is the smaller brother right there. Let me eat your egg.
This must look so weird.
Let me lick your toes.
That would be pretty weird. The surprise sheep when you know is, oh gosh, where are you when it hits? Whoa! 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 That's pretty funny. I wanna look for one more. Oh, yeah. Let me feel the wind against my face. Oh. When do you ever see a cat near a window? I always see dogs. I'm the best cat in the world. I like this one. There goes that crazy cat, people. All the augmented reality filters that you've seen today, they're all going to be in the description below. Go check them out. Thank you so much for watching to the end of the video. But if you like what I do, please hit the like button. Go subscribe. And of course, I'm always going to end a video with a quick old snap.